Hi guys, should I say welcome back? Because I'm really just updating y'all. But I guess I'll say welcome back. Thank you for joining us if this is your first time here. If you watched my last video of the Brooklyn 28 and the Maple unboxing with the wallet and the charm and all that, I brought the wallet back. It bothered me, that little dot on there, and then it was too big for what I was looking for. So I went to the outlet, sent me an email probably Wednesday saying a new collection they had out, and then Friday they sent something out saying additional 15% off. So there was a wallet I wanted. It's leopard. Everybody that knows me know I'm obsessed with leopard, and it's leopard and it has black inside. So I returned the wallet, but let's back up. I returned the wallet on Thursday, exchanged it, not returned, and I end up getting the green wallet, lime, whatever the lime color is with this new collection. And I kept telling myself, you're gonna love it, you don't need the maple, you're gonna love it, don't worry about it. I lied to myself. It's set in the box. I even did a video. I'll put a little piece right here somewhere. Had to did a video that day, didn't post it because I was like, it's not sitting well with me. So that email from the Coach outlet, they had this collection. Well, I know they had some shoes and stuff from this collection at the store probably about a year ago. I went and got a medium zip around wallet. So that's what I swapped out for. Got my difference back. And that's what I have. I was thinking it'll fit in my Lululemon bags for travel purposes and everything. I can hold more cards in there because I need to have all cards on deck, because never know what can happen. And that's what I did. So I'm gonna unbox it. I don't know if I'm gonna hop on personally myself, but thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna unbox, show you guys. I might talk, I don't know. And just a little insert of what I did, because I try to be as honest as possible with y'all on here. If I didn't keep it, y'all need to know. If I don't have, like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by my phone dying, I'm gonna unbox and just show you guys the wallet I have. Sometime this week I'll touch base on how I'm liking it, what's in my wallet. Oh, do I do it what's in my wallet? I don't know what's in my bag, but I can tell y'all this. I have the maple, right? Okay, let me show y'all the wallet I got, because then y'all gonna understand where I'm coming from on what I'm saying and why I'm saying it. Maybe, I don't know, but this is how they boxed it too, just in a regular little box. She said they don't really do all that there, but this is the wallet. I love this, that it has the ID spot, the card spots, everything. A little spot back here. Oh, a little spot back here, a little spot back there, and then it has the big spot back here for your bills. So yeah, I love this. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Yeah. So that's what I picked up, guys. That's what I have. Y'all see it's black. I love the maple color, but now that I have something with black in it, do I need to swap it for black? Because I'm still, I don't know, on the fence, ticked off, weirded out, I guess. I don't know, with the handle not having any protecting on it, but it doesn't have any visible issues. So I don't want to just be overboard for nothing. But now I'm thinking, do I just need to get the black one? And I also say that because I found out there is a maple coming out in the Tabby, and I want that. The Quilted Tabby. I want the 20. They have the 20 and the 26 is supposed to be coming out within the next 2 weeks, from what one of the sales girls told me. Within any day, another sales girl told me yesterday. So I think I don't need two bags in the same color. I know my husband was like, well, you got a bunch of LVs in the same color. That's different. I tried to ask him, you think I should just go get the black one? I don't want to have the same color in the same bag. Well, you have a bunch of LVs in the same color, so what's the difference? That's why I shouldn't have asked them, because now I'm even more confused. So the fall is coming. The black is a good color. Do I need the black? Do I need the brown maple color? Do I need both? Because I keep thinking just get the black one and you just will be okay. I don't need both them bags, and I have been telling myself that all this year. You're only buying what you're going to use. It's not sitting on the shelf looking at me at all. But that Tabby 20, and then I saw somebody unbox the Tabby 26. Y'all, it's gorgeous. I don't know, that color with that gold, oh my, it had gold hardware. Oh, it was just but I want the 20. I think I told her the 20, and she was I'm on the list for a 26 and a 20, but I'm only getting one because I only need one. I don't need anything, but I only would like to get one. So I have, I think, like 20 days left, because you got 30 days to return that coach. So I don't want to return. I just want to exchange it, possibly for the black. Now I would have, but two of the stores that I deal with, they have none. They don't have anything in the 28. All they had was 39. So the 28s, baby, are gone. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And the black is easy. Brown is good too, and this maple color is gorgeous. But I'm just saying, if I'm gonna have two different bags from the same brand, I would prefer one in black and one in the maple. And I'm thinking the Brooklyn needs to be in the black. So, because I want that maple tabby. Oh, it was just, ooh. It was beautiful. I forgot her name. It's a young lady on Instagram. She's on YouTube too. And she rocks Coach like beautiful. And she unboxed that tabby, baby. Well, she unboxed the Brooklyn too, in that tan color. I don't know the correct name for it. But she unboxed that Brooklyn in maple. I immediately text every Coach salesperson I had contact information for, and they got back with me. One of them, she just called me. She said, girl, she said, we don't know what's coming. She said, send. So I sent her. She said, wow. Yeah, wow. Some of them, I guess, don't know. I don't know. It's a little different than LV. They don't know what's coming. They don't know when things are coming. And then for the girl last week told me a lot of stuff they see on social media, that's how they know it's coming. So how true it is, I don't know. But I know I want a maple with that gold hardware in the 20. And if I have to do the 26, but I would prefer the 20, I think. It's a gorgeous bag. If y'all have seen that new Tabby Quilted that's coming out in that maple, it is gorgeous. But I just jumped on here to show y'all this, let y'all know that I'm over here with my Pisces moment of confusion, conflict on, do I keep the maple 28 or do I just go ahead, since it didn't have protecting, and if they can get me a protected one, get the black Brooklyn 28, and then that would just be better for me with this one. But I love this one. I love leopard, baby. Leopard is the thing. It's a thing. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, whatever y'all want to do. And until next time, peace.